Hey everyone. If you've ever felt a knot in your stomach before speaking up, or found yourself avoiding social situations, you're definitely not alone. Many of us, especially during our student years, grapple with feelings of shyness. It's a completely normal human experience, and it doesn't define who you are. This isn't about changing your personality, but about empowering you to navigate the world with more ease. We're here to explore how you can build confidence and lessen the grip of shyness. First, let's talk about what shyness really is. It's often a feeling of apprehension or discomfort in social situations, stemming from a fear of judgment. It can make you feel like you want to disappear. Confidence, on the other hand, isn't about being the loudest person in the room. It's about trusting yourself, your abilities, and your worth. It's an inner belief that you can handle what comes your way. It's important to remember that shyness and confidence aren't opposites. You can be a naturally quiet person and still be incredibly confident. It's about finding your own comfortable space. Our journey begins with self-awareness. Take a moment to understand when and why you feel shy. Is it in large groups, one-on-one, or when presenting? Journaling can be a powerful tool here. Write down your thoughts and feelings before, during, and after situations where shyness arises. This helps you identify patterns and triggers. Understanding your triggers is the first step toward managing them. It allows you to anticipate and prepare rather than being caught off guard. Self-awareness is your personal roadmap. We all have an inner critic, that voice that tells us we're not good enough or that we'll mess up. For shy individuals, this voice can be particularly loud and persistent. Learn to recognize when your inner critic is speaking. Is it offering constructive feedback or just tearing you down? Most often, it's the latter, fueled by fear. Challenge those negative thoughts. Ask yourself if they are truly factual or just assumptions. Replace "I can't do this" with "I'll try my best," or "What's the worst that could happen?" Building confidence is like building a muscle. It requires consistent, small efforts. Don't aim to become an extrovert overnight. Start with tiny, manageable steps. Perhaps your first goal is to make eye contact with one new person today, or to ask a question in a small group discussion. Celebrate these small victories. Each small success builds momentum and reinforces the belief that you are capable. These little wins accumulate, creating a strong foundation for greater confidence. Effective communication is a cornerstone of confidence. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Start by actively listening when others speak. When it's your turn, practice speaking clearly and at a moderate pace. Don't rush your words. Take a breath and articulate your thoughts. Engage in small talk. It might feel awkward at first, but it's a great way to practice initiating conversations. Ask open-ended questions to keep the dialogue flowing. Your body language speaks volumes, often before you even utter a word. Standing tall, with your shoulders back, projects an image of self-assurance. Make eye contact when you're speaking and listening. It shows engagement and respect. A genuine smile can also make you and others feel more at ease. Even if you don't feel confident inside, adopting confident body language can actually influence your internal state. It's a powerful feedback loop. When we're shy, we often become overly focused on ourselves and how we're perceived. This can intensify feelings of anxiety and self-consciousness. Try shifting your focus outward. Instead of worrying about what others think of you, try to genuinely connect with them. Ask questions about their interests. When you focus on others, you become less self-absorbed and more present in the moment. This can naturally reduce your shyness and make interactions more enjoyable. A common barrier to confidence is the fear of making mistakes or not being perfect. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. It's part of being human. Embrace your imperfections. They are part of what makes you unique and relatable. True confidence isn't about never failing, but about learning and growing from it. Allow yourself to be vulnerable. Sharing a small imperfection or a moment of uncertainty can actually build stronger connections with others. It shows authenticity. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. Seek out friends, family members, or mentors who are supportive and understanding. Share your goals with them. Having people who believe in you can provide invaluable encouragement. They can offer different perspectives and remind you of your strengths when you forget. Consider joining a club or group related to your interests. Being part of a community with shared passions can make social interactions feel less daunting. Every step forward, no matter how small, deserves recognition. Did you speak up in class today? Did you introduce yourself to someone new? Acknowledge it. Celebrating these small victories reinforces positive behavior and motivates you to continue. It's a way of telling yourself, I can do this. Keep a confidence journal where you list your achievements, big and small. Looking back at your progress can be incredibly empowering on challenging days. Building confidence and overcoming shyness is a journey, not a destination. There will be good days and challenging days. That's perfectly normal. Be patient with yourself. Growth takes time and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if you have a setback. Simply acknowledge it and keep moving forward. Persistence is key. Keep practicing, keep trying new things, and keep believing in your ability to grow. Each effort, no matter how small, contributes to your progress. Remember, your confidence will look different from anyone else's, and that's a wonderful thing. There's no single definition of what it means to be confident. It's about finding your voice, embracing your authentic self, and feeling comfortable in your own skin. You have unique strengths and perspectives to offer the world. So, take these steps, be kind to yourself, and trust in your ability to grow. You are capable of amazing things, and the world is ready for you to shine.